TLT Dynamite. What? That's not the lyrics. All right. TLT, guys, revisiting TLT. I did a Secretwars episode back in the early ones, I think episode in the 70s. And I did a 10-year Treasury bond not too far ago. But this one, TLT, they're all breaking down at the different times. And I just decided that it's time to re-put some emphasis on this monster top that is breaking down. Whole bunch of confirmations, whole bunch of stuff happening there. So sometimes I do podcasts on stocks that are about to break out, about to break down, or embryonic, not ready. But this one is definitely in there. And let's get to it, guys. Let's start with the monthly, identify that higher prevailing trend, and then we'll zoom in on the weekly and apply some stage analysis, Stanwine style. All right. So what do we have here? Up. Oh, up. Higher high, then make it, and then lower lows. All up to here, you see? Higher lows, higher highs. But after that, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows in the progress right now, guys. Right here. So that's a definite change of trend. You have the 12-month moving average going downwards. Let's see where my monthly defined breakdown line is. And they have these nice patterns, guys. These nice block patterns. Check it out right here. Sideways, breaking down, close below, implied measure move. Height to bottom, added to breakdown line, bring you to these levels here, reaching the next month, reaching that target. And after that, monthly define resistance, monthly defined support, and right here another implied measure move. Could even be here like that. Close below, implied measure move, target on the way. Whole bunch of targets, whole bunch of stuff happening. Target reach already. So remember, I always say smaller patterns or closer patterns to breakout lines have higher probabilities of being reached. And after that, when you drag it out further, then you have these more greedy patterns with bigger. Hold on. Let's keep that one here. Come on. They're free, the trend lines. There you go. And then I'll just copy patterns, making bigger patterns, bigger implied measure moves. Further away, least probable targets. And most likely before you reach that, you can have some pullbacks. Could probably go down like that. Price action maybe go down here, pull back all the way to the breakdown level, and then go back down. Those probably going to maybe go down a little bit. One more strong pullback close to that breakdown level, what I call a wall, previous support, now turn resistance. Coinciding maybe with the hitting that 12-month moving average. And to go all the way down. But look at that on the 12-month, guys. This is the higher prevailing trend, man. It's powerful stuff. You don't want to be playing. It's chart pattern breaking down here, bigger pattern here, broke down last month. So even last month we had confirmation of this target bring you all the way down here. You could have made a case that you had some support here. This could have been some support area. And right now you are below that. Breaking down below that, so you have to maybe wait till the end of the month to see if it's going to close above that. Not looking too great, guys. And you even have this crazy higher. Insane. What? Where does that come from? Crazy target right here, man. Added to the breakdown line. And look what that brings me, man. Remove that. Let's put that here. This target right down here to the 108 level. Back to previous previous resistance, now turn support. See, here is a breakout up. That one's gonna bring you right down there, close to the 108 level. Now this crazy target, well, you have support levels along the way. You're gonna have that 12-month moving average going down. When you hit those support levels, you're gonna have bounces probably back up, maybe sideways move. Hit that hit back that support turn resistance. Hit those that 12-month moving average going down, and those are all gonna be opportunities for you to get in. Either you plan the breakout, or you wait. Like here, broke down, came back, hit the 12-month moving average, go down. So if ever you come back and you have a pullback on low volume, on close to the breakdown line, close the 12-month moving average, these are good high risk to reward ratios. You put your sell stop above that resistance line, above that 12-month moving average, and then after that, you don't want to be in that stock if it closes above that. So, and after that, it just goes down. And here's that crazy target, bring you all the way down back here, 94. Another wall, previous resistance, turn support. And that's the big target, guys. Huge, right? Huge. So that monster top, just breaking down. You're really close to the party. You're not really late. You're getting closing now here. I'm going to check out on the weekly if you get some more position. Or you wait for that pullback back to the 118 level right here. Okay, zoom in. Stan Weinstein. Man, these bonds are going down. Okay, what do we have? Top. Look at that. Ichimoku cloud. Now we're creating some resistance. 30-week moving average going downwards. Remove all drawing tools. Underperforming the SPX for a while. Since 24th of October 2016. Oh. Wait, let me get some and some price action here above the 30-week average, but right now breaking down right here. You had a few levels here. You had this one here, this weekly defined breakdown. See where that, it's so awesome, this Mansfield relative strength compared to the SPX. If it's red, it's because 30-week average is going downwards. Price action is below 30-week average. You're underperforming the SPX. The weight of evidence, check. Stage 4, it's red. Increasing volume here a little bit on the on those downwards candles, somewhere even here. So right here, this candle right here, you could have entered based on the weekly chart. On the monthly, probably wait for these candles here. And that's all she wrote, guys. Breaking down. So ideally, what you want to see maybe is a little pullback, either to this support and resistance, and then hopefully it goes back down. And if you really want to wait, if it goes up here, you could maybe this resistance now is not going to be strong enough. It might go all the way back one to this top here, and then go down. So that's how I see it. Definite stage 4. You have the low risk reward, better risk reward entries right here on the pullbacks, close to the breakdown line. You have monthly confirmation, weekly confirmation, downtrend. Pullbacks are most likely going to be simple pullbacks, especially if they're on the contracting green volume. Like here, you see the contracting volume right here? Right there. Contracting volume on those candles going back up, increasing red. As long as you have that behavior, it's when the selling pressure is off, the price action goes back up a little bit on low volume. And after that, red candles increasing that pressure, that selling pressure. So you have the monthly trend that's going to protect you. It's going to help protect you. It's going to try to keep that trend down. And now you get some, using the weekly, get to time some entry, guys. But look at that massive, massive top. And yeah, that's about it, guys. 1, 2, like almost a 2 since a 4-year top, guys. Damn. All right, that's it for me. Bonds going down. All right, guys. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Ciao.